Identifying your target audience is the first crucial step. Whether it's specialists in your field, the broad medical community, or interdisciplinary readers, knowing who will benefit from your research helps you choose the right journal. Next, compile a list of potential journals using databases like PubMed, journal finder tools such as Elsevier Journal Finder, and references from your literature search. Keep a spreadsheet with details like impact factors and submission guidelines. Assess the quality and impact of each journal. Check the impact factor, ensure it's indexed in major databases, and consider the publisher's reputation. Remember, higher impact factors could mean higher visibility, but also higher rejection rates. Make sure your research fits the journal's scope and guidelines. Read their aims and scope, and meticulously follow their submission guidelines, including formatting and word count. Evaluate the journal's peer review process and publication speed. Some journals offer fast-track options and publish their review timelines and acceptance rates, which can be helpful. Consider open access journals for a broader audience reach, but be mindful of publication fees. Check if your institution can support these costs. Finally, select the journal that aligns with your research and goals, prepare your manuscript according to their guidelines, and submit using their online system. A well-prepared submission can streamline the review process. And that's how you find a good medical journal for your research. Good luck, future doctors, and remember to check out our next video for more tips on scientific writing.